morning, sir. I'm KI Nasakupayo. I will disassemble this system unit.
Computer disassembly. Before starting computer disassembly, make sure you have the tools you need and they all close by a handy, and be sure to have a container to keep the screw in so you have them when you want to put things back together. Step 1. Unplugging. The first thing you do is unplug every cable that is plugged into your computer. Step 2. Opening the outer shell or case. First, unscrew the 4 screw at the back of the computer. Step 3. Removing the system fan. First, unplug the fan from the motherboard. Step 4. Removing the CPU fan. The CPU fan is located right on the top of the CPU heatsink, which is a large piece of the metal with the wings of the top. Step 5. Power supply. The first thing you do is unplug every wire coming from the power supply. Step 6. CD or DVD drives. First, unplug the ribbon from the back of the drive. Once that is completed, pull out the tab securing the drive in place. Step 7. Hard drive. First, unplug the connector at the back of the slot and unplug the other end from the motherboard. Step 8. Memory or RAM. To remove the RAM, push down on both tabs holding the RAM in place, which are located at the both ends of the RAM. Step 9. The motherboard. The motherboard has 7 screws holding it to the frame, which are indicated by the large white circles around them. Remove them and then lift the motherboard out of the frame.
Good morning, sir. I'm KI Nasakupayo. I will assemble this system unit.
Computer assemble. Step 1. Attach the motherboard. Step 2. Attach the hard disk drive. Step 3. Attach the power supply. Step 4. Attach the CPU fan.